Good morning. I've tried to read this book to you a couple of times this morning, but we kept having phone calls and anyway. So this book is called Sun, 1 in a Billion. It came to me via a present in my basket. Thank you. It is like the Moon Story. It's by Stacey McNulty. It's a Henry Holt and Company book. And I'll give you the quiz number in the video description. Once upon a time, about 4.6 billion years ago, a magnificent and important star was born. And that magnificent and important star was me, your sun, with a capital S. Because it's a proper noun. Yes, I am a star. A star is a massive and luminous ball of gas full of energy. An outstandingly talented and popular performer even. I fit both definitions. He's performing for the planets here. There's Fred Jr. The Milky Way galaxy has over 100 billion stars. That makes me 1 in a billion. Or actually 1 in 100 billion. I'm the biggest? Not. I'm the brightest? No. I'm not even the oldest. But I am the most important, at least to my friends on Earth. What doing? What doing, Farmer Ted, in your boots and baby? Good book, good book. Can you hang out for 8 minutes? That's how long it takes my light to reach Earth. Yep, I give you heat and light, like today. You're welcome. What can I say except you're welcome? It's so important that Earthlings should name a special day in my honor even. We could call it Sunday. Oh wait, Sunday. I'm famous for my heat and light, but I also hold our entire solar system together. Scientists call that gravity. What can I say? The planets are attracted to me. And because I'm the center of our solar system, life revolves around me, literally. Look, all the planets go in the same direction around me. He's gone now. Those other stars are far, far away from Earth, which makes them look teeny tiny and not so important. I'm close, a mere 93 million miles from you. To an Earthling, I look like this. But to Neptunians, I'm 2,795 million miles away. And I look like this. Now this is if there were Neptunians, but currently there's no known life on Neptune. Technically, I'm a yellow dwarf star, but I'm still a big, big deal. If I were the size of a basketball, Earth would be smaller than a grain of sand. In fact, you could fit about 1 million Earths inside of me. But you can't fill me with Earths because I'm hot stuff, baby. Comparing, a hot summer day is about 90 degrees, a pizza oven about 700 degrees, and the orange and yellow flames of a campfire about 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Me? I'm about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit on my surface. I can melt diamonds. And in my hot center, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Ancient Earthlings thought I circled the Earth. Can you imagine that? Me revolving around Earth? And some might think that I sit in the sky all day and all night. But I got moves, baby. I'm spinning. And because I'm not solid, my middle moves faster than my top and my bottom. About 25 Earth days it takes for my middle to rotate, like a hula hoop, do-do-do-do-do. And about 36 Earth days it takes for my top and bottom to rotate. Do not try this at home. So the rate at which the sun spins at the top and the bottom is different of the middle because it's all gas. It's not one big solid unified piece. So literally clouds of gas are spinning like this like this, and all at different rates. Ooh, this picture's cool. I'm not only important, I'm generous, and I'm good looking. I have sunrises, sunsets, northern lights, and even southern lights. Sit back and enjoy all of my shows. The sun is a performer. Sometimes I like to be mysterious and sneak away for a few minutes. Solar eclipse. But do not worry, I'm just behind your friend the moon. While I'm astronomically bigger than the moon, I'm 400 times wider. The moon is astronomically closer to Earth, almost 400 times closer. I love this book. I love this whole series, the moon one, the Earth one. My neighbor stars have fancy names. Meet Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri, and Alpha Centauri B. Me, I just need those 3 letters. Give me an S. Give me a U. Give me an N. What does that spell? Sun. Sun, sun. He's our star, light and heat from afar. Please note that that's a capital S. I am very important. Little cheerleader. Not to hog the spotlight, but I've still got it. And the same hot, bright star I've always been. A stable star like me is a good star. You don't want your sun getting hotter or cooling off. That would be really messy for the planets. So Earth is in a sweet spot. We are just far enough from the sun to not burn up, and we're just close enough. No, I take it back. We're just far enough not to be too cold, and we are just close enough not to burn up. So grab your shades, like me. Y'all know I hate to squint. I plan to be in this biz for another 5 billion years. You and me, we got a bright future together. This cute little picture. I wish we could gather like those people. I like the sunglasses. I'm here. All right, the sun by the numbers. The sun is estimated to be between 4.5 and 4.6 billion years old. Its radius is the distance. The radius is the distance around, and it's 432,000 miles. Its mass is measured in kilograms. It's such a big number, I don't think I can read it just correctly. Let me try. 1.9 million times 10 to the 24th. Woo! That's a big digit. The distance between Earth and our sun actually changes because Earth's orbit is not a perfect circle. It's more of an oval. The sun is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. In our solar system, we have our star, the sun, 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, at least 157 moons, and hundreds of thousands of asteroids, comets, and meteors. Anyway, that was the sun book. Oh, just in time for the dogs to start barking. Sun, 1 in a billion. I hope you enjoyed it. Love you guys. Enjoy the sun today.